this is Alan Ackles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Providing customers with transportation solutions that increase the flow of trade safely is no small undertaking. Today we're in Spokane, Washington, and home of Lite-Check. Lite-Check is a leader in providing tools for trucking industry safety diagnosis. For over 35 years, the company has designed, manufactured, and marketed a range of products used to test and diagnose the braking and lighting systems of heavy-duty trucks and trailers. Lite-Check has supplied over 4,000 transportation companies with a solution to diagnose vehicle brakes, lights, and ABS. Their customers include trucking leaders throughout North America and overseas. This impressive customer base includes trailer manufacturers, fleets, service shops, government agencies, and the United States military. Lite-Check was the first company to offer electronic testers for commercial trailers. The first product of its kind was manufactured for the California Highway Patrol to improve inspection productivity and diagnosis reliability. Another first from Lite-Check is the fully integrated digital inspection system for performing and managing inspection reports. Lite-Check products have evolved into products that truck and trailer manufacturers and maintenance shops cannot do without. As governmental mandates continue to emerge, the requirement for scheduled safety analysis and record keeping has created urgency for Lite-Check products. Lite-Check's patented innovative products benefit the operator by aiding in the speed, ease, and accuracy of diagnosing vehicle systems with a Lite-Check Inspector 930 tester, a documented verifier dot report, and records to enhance and assist management planning, warranty, and liability resolutions. Visit them at lite-check.com. This is Alan Ackles for Manufacturing Marvels.